How to buy Roblox Robux gift card on Amazon. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Roblox Robux gift card on Amazon. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Now in the browser, in the search bar, you will need to type amazon.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. And now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Amazon. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here in the top, you will be able to find the search bar. Click on it and there type in Roblox Robux gift card. Once you have entered it, you will be able to see the search suggestions here. Simply click on the suggestion that you prefer. Then you will be presented with the gift cards available on Amazon. You will be able to find the gift cards in different denominations like $25, $50, $10. From here, you will need to choose a card that aligns with your amount. Once you have found the perfect gift card, simply click on the product listing to view more details. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to carefully review all the details and informations. After that, if you are interested to buy it, you can click on this add to cart at the right side. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to click on this proceed to checkout option at the top right. By doing so, now you will be able to add the payment method. If you haven't added this payment method, you will need to add your credit or debit card here. Simply click on this option and fill in the all details in order to add the card. And once after adding it, you can simply select the card here. Click on the use this payment method and then click on place your order button. After that, you will receive the code via email shortly after placing your order. And after purchasing it, you can now log into your Roblox account and redeem your Roblox gift card, which will be added to your account balance. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy Roblox Robux gift card on Amazon. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.